Good morning. Welcome to Market Mashup, our weekly recap of financial markets and what we have on store for this upcoming week that might impact stocks and bonds. I'm Scott Nasca, president of Generation Capital Management. A strong week last week for stocks across the board. The Dow Jones was up 2.3%, S&P 500 up 2.4%, and the Nasdaq was the leader, up 3.3%. So for the second week of July, starting the third quarter, we had strong markets coming through. So investors still continue to like what they hear with these companies and moving the stock prices up. Taking a look at the bond front, we have the 2-year at 4.73%, the 10-year at 3.79%. So we're still seeing that inverted yield curve that's been going on for almost a year right now. Right now we're at 94 basis points there. So it's a pretty steep yield curve, which means that the short end of the bond market yields higher than the longer end. It's something that doesn't happen too often. Usually when it does, we're looking at economic slowdowns and or recession. So please keep an eye out for that. We do have some data coming out this week. We have retail sales coming out on Tuesday, existing home sales on Thursday, jobless claims on Thursday as well. We also have 10% of the S&P 500 companies reporting this week, including Tesla, Netflix, Goldman Sachs, and Morgan Stanley. So you're going to get a good cross current between the financial sectors. Got a little communication as well as quasi-technology and automakers with Tesla. So pay attention to that. You want to see if you can see any guidance going forward. We had some of the bank earnings come out late last week and mixed results there. So, let's see if these earnings are going to give any clues to how the second quarter was and any guidance in the third quarter. If you have any questions for us, please reach out to us on our website, www.gencapmgmt.com. Our team's ready to answer any questions that you might have, provide a second opinion in your portfolio, and just give you peace of mind to make sure that everything's allocated the way it should be based off of your risk tolerances and your goals and objectives. So we're happy to answer any questions that you might have. We've got some good information on our sites as well. John's top tips, going through some financial planning, which is always important. Everyone, making sure that they're ready for retirement and they're on track for it. So please feel free to reach out to us. Our team is ready to help out any way you can. I'm Scott Nasca, president of Generation Capital Management, and this is Market Mashup. Have a great week, everyone.